So I won't take up too much of your guys' time. I'm just gonna talk about, I guess, just my journey that I've been here and just how I'm finding it, things that I've done, things that I wish I've done. And just hopefully you guys kind of take something from that. So as mentioned before, my name is Akshay Verma. I'm at Bond University and I'm doing my Juris Doctor with my expected graduation to be in August of 2025. So, I guess my journey just from Canada to Australia, just as like a little back reference for you guys. So I completed my undergrad at the University of Alberta in 2022. I did my Bachelor of Commerce and I worked in as a financial analyst for a year. Something that my field of work did was work with a lot of lawyers that would come in for a lot of property disputes and stuff like that. And that kind of made me a lot more interested in learning the legal aspect of what I did. And I already had a few friends that were already getting their Juris Doctors, friends that were getting their LLBs at Bond University. One of them actually just got called to the bar today back in Edmonton, Alberta, and he got his LLB from Bond University. And they were saying it was a great experience. And as Casey mentioned, that you don't have to write your LSAT. You kind of have an accelerated program out here if you're doing your Juris Doctor, where rather than doing 3 years and doing your LSAT, taking time out to write that, you're only doing 2 years and or I guess 6 trimesters, but still 2 years. And you come home, do your NCA process, and you go on to articling. So it's a lot faster. I thought, why not? Let's take this opportunity. I saw OzTREKK online, which, as you guys are here right now, they gave a lot of amazing information for all the universities. And I was able to just watch interviews with previous students to just kind of gain more of an insight on their life in Australia. And yeah, I guess it's just been a huge transition for myself for this past year, and I still feel like I'm still adjusting to this life out here, but it's amazing and it's beautiful, and having the beaches definitely helps when you're in law school. So after I accepted my offer, now there's a lot of stuff that you have to look at, and something that Casey also mentioned is financing, student visa, accommodation, finding a place to live across the ocean is a lot harder than finding a place to live when you live in the same city. School prep, if you decide to work out here as well, like finding a job and just that whole travel itinerary, there's a lot of stuff that you have to do. And this is essentially just a chore list that needs to get done or planned out before moving. And it can obviously be a very intimidating and tedious process. Um, our international manager over here at Bond University, I kind of knew I was going to come to Bond. So I reached out to Natasha Racco, who I feel like you guys can also reach out to, and she recommended going to OzTREKK, and they basically help you a lot just through this process and kind of give you a detailed step by step on what you have to do and what they can help you with. So for those who are interested in coming to Australia and in going to any of those universities, I would highly, highly recommend do it through OzTREKK because they make that tedious process a lot easier for your guys or for you guys.